Hi. I am Alexandra Daddario. I am not real. I am Cobra Khan. AI is the new electricity and making videos editing much easy for you. Are you want to create amazing videos? Yes, you can create amazing videos with this AI tools in minutes. Please subscribe this channel as Shakir is doing amazing work for you. Thanks to Shakir for introducing me. In this video, I will show you how to use an AI video generator to create an amazing video step by step. Let's get started.
So first, open your favorite browser and enter movio.oi in search bar.
Create your free trial account on movio.oi and verify your email. You can find free registration link in the description of this video.
In this subscription you will get access a 1-minute video. After that you can upgrade if you like it.
Now click on Avatar from Dashboard. Here you have 3 options to choose. I will show you each one step by step. First one is Generate a Talking Photo. Here AI will generate a unique and attractive avatar for you. Let's try it. Here you can generate custom AI talking photo. Select pose and gender for your avatar. Also select style of your avatar from the available style option. When your avatar is ready, click on Generate button. Here 4 different AI talking photos is generated, so click on Save button. Choose one avatar from Save folder, and select landscape or portrait style for your video. Here is avatar editing window. Click on Photo Customize Avatar according to your requirements. Select from the available options, or zoom in, zoom out. Remove background, change position, layer, voice only, and frame. Write your own script in text script box. Choose different language voice for your avatar and click on Select. Let's preview it.
Hello. Welcome to my channel.
To download your video, first click on Submit. So download will be available when video is processed. Now let's explore Upload Talking Photo option. Just click on the Upload Talking Photo. Upload picture from of your choice from PC. Picture is uploaded successfully. Now click on Talking Photo folder of your saved avatar. Open the uploaded picture and select Style. In the editing window you can customize video according to your requirement. Enter text script and select language voice. Click on Preview to check result.
In this video, I will show you how to use an AI video generator to create an amazing video step by step. Let's get started.
Now open Dashboard and click on Avatar. In Create Avatar Light option you can upload your own avatar so that others can use it. Now let's try it make video on the available templates. There are lots of available avatar templates to choose from. Click on the selected avatar. First select dress for your avatar. You can also upload your own picture for face swap. Choose view mode. Adjust speed and pitch of your choice. Then select voice language. When avatar is ready, click on Save Template. After saving, open avatar and enter text script. Click on Preview.
So first, open your favorite browser and enter movio.oi in search bar.
I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know if there is anything unclear. Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more interesting videos.